There are some things you can't control, like the weather, traffic, or people. But what about tomorrow? Tomorrow you can expect what? Surprises? Delays? Running from site to site? Today, take control of tomorrow. Discover the IQ Series Gas Analyzer by Thermo Fisher Scientific. Arm yourself with 24/7 access to your analyzer's information. Minimize troubleshooting time with innovative interchangeable DMC boards in a highly precise yet tough solution, backed by our heritage of superior service. The IQ Series Gas Analyzer is engineered to get smarter over time, because where some see data, we see intelligence. And when problems can be predicted, they can be prevented. Predictive diagnostics and proactive communications and personal device connectivity. This is true control. True control of your data. True control of the decisions that drive your success. True control of your day. Today, take control of tomorrow with the IQ Series Gas Analyzer.